In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SEO-friendly blog using ChatGPT, a handy tool for crafting compelling content. We'll walk through the steps of generating SEO keywords, writing the actual article, and creating a meta description that captures the essence of your work. First, we'll dive into accessing ChatGPT, which is a straightforward process. You'll want to open your browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, simply log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is a breeze, and it's worth doing because ChatGPT can be a valuable resource in your blogging toolkit. With it, you can generate creative ideas, write compelling articles, and enhance your content strategy effortlessly. After accessing ChatGPT, our next move will be to find relevant keywords for your blog. This is an essential part of the SEO process, as having the right keywords ensures your content reaches your target audience. Let's say you're focusing on the fitness niche for the year 2025. You might ask ChatGPT, give me 10 easy SEO keywords about fitness in 2025. ChatGPT will generate a list of potential keywords for you. This step not only saves you time, but also helps you tap into search trends with ease, aligning your content with what people are likely to search for. Now that we have our keywords, it's time to move on to writing the article itself. You may want to focus on a specific topic such as best morning workouts for weight loss. Instruct ChatGPT with a prompt like, write a 600-word SEO blog about best morning workouts for weight loss with headings and bullet points. This will guide ChatGPT to craft an article that not only includes engaging content, but is also well-structured, featuring headings that guide the reader and bullet points that break down information for easy consumption. This structured approach not only appeals to readers, but also boosts your SEO performance by making it easier for search engines to parse your content. Finally, let's polish off your article with a strong meta description. This is a crucial step because your meta title and description are typically what searchers will first see in search engine results. Ask ChatGPT to write an SEO meta title and description for this blog under 160 characters. These elements should succinctly and accurately describe your blog topic while enticing potential readers to click through. Remember, the goal here is to create an engaging summary of your content that is both concise and informative. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've used ChatGPT to efficiently create an SEO-friendly blog. This approach not only streamlines your workflow, but also helps you produce content that is both valuable and discoverable. Happy blogging, and see you next time.